The Hoover ONEPWR Streamline Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner is a practical solution for those who want to take care of their floors without the hassle of a traditional vacuum or mop. The cleaner allows you to both wash and vacuum in one seamless step. This is particularly handy for those who need to clean multiple types of hard floors, whether it's hardwood, luxury vinyl, or tile. The Hoover ONEPWR features an edge cleaning function that makes it easy to get right up to baseboards and under furniture, leaving no space untouched. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its self-cleaning system. After each use, the charging tray works to clean the machine, helping maintain freshness and cleanliness between uses. This self-cleaning process, combined with dual tanks that keep clean and dirty water separate, ensures that you're always using fresh water for each clean. This is an important factor for those concerned about maintaining the hygiene of their cleaner, especially when dealing with messy floors. The ONEPWR Streamline is powered by Hoover's ONEPWR battery system, which provides you with the freedom to move around without being tethered to a cord. The machine offers up to 30 minutes of fade-free runtime, allowing you to clean a variety of spaces without worrying about the battery running out mid-job. This makes it a great option for quick touch-ups or even a full cleaning session if you have smaller to medium-sized areas to tackle. In terms of real-world usability, this cleaner is designed for convenience. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to grab and go whenever you need to clean up a mess. The inclusion of 2 microfiber brush rolls is a nice touch, as they work to scrub away dirt and debris from your floors, ensuring a deep clean. The 2 filters help with maintaining the cleaner's performance, and Hoover's inclusion of trial hard floor cleaning solution adds a bit of extra value right out of the box. The dual tank system is one of the key elements that elevate this model. Having separate tanks for clean and dirty water ensures that you're never using dirty water on your floors. It also makes it easier to dispose of wastewater and refill the clean water tank, streamlining the process for users. Additionally, the cleaner's edge cleaning ability is an essential feature for those with baseboards, walls, or hard-to-reach spaces that need attention. This is an area that many floor cleaners overlook, but Hoover has made sure that their design can reach those tricky areas. On the downside, for larger homes or those with bigger floor spaces, the 30-minute runtime could feel limiting, especially in high-powered cleaning modes. The cleaner's suction power, while good for daily messes, might not be enough to tackle more embedded dirt or heavy-duty debris. Those with high-pile carpets or areas that collect a lot of dust might need a more robust vacuum for those specific cleaning needs. Now, when we talk about value for money, the Hoover ONEPWR Streamline is positioned in the mid-range category. For the price, you get a powerful and versatile cordless floor cleaner that combines multiple cleaning functions into one machine. However, it's important to consider its runtime limitations and whether your cleaning needs match its performance. If you have a larger home or a house with a variety of floor types, you may want to compare this model with others that offer longer runtime or stronger suction capabilities. For smaller spaces, apartments, or homes with primarily hard floors, this cleaner could be a great fit. Looking at alternatives, a similar option would be the Bissell Crosswave Cordless, which offers both wet and dry cleaning capabilities and has a comparable runtime. However, Bissell's suction power is often seen as slightly stronger, which could make it a better option for tougher messes. The Crosswave also has a slightly larger water tank capacity, which could be a plus for those who want to avoid frequent refills. The Hoover ONEPWR Streamline stands out for its self-cleaning feature and its versatility in cleaning both messes and debris on hard floors. For those with allergies or sensitivities, the dual filtration system adds peace of mind, keeping things cleaner in the long run. It's a convenient machine for quick cleanups and maintaining your floors, but it's not designed for deep, heavy-duty cleaning sessions. For the average user, it's a great product that offers good value for the money, especially if you're looking for a cordless, easy-to-use solution for everyday hard floor cleaning. If you want something simple and effective, the Hoover ONEPWR Streamline Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner could be the right fit. If you need something with more power or a larger water capacity for bigger jobs, then exploring other options might be a better choice. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the Hoover ONEPWR Streamline, let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear how it's worked for you and whether it's the right choice for your cleaning routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews from Reviewsinside TV. Till next time, keep those floors spotless.